where the fuck is the fire department?
It's like literally right there too.
Why don't we even hear sirens?
Whoa.
Maybe we should move back a little. Hey dude, your car is fucked. There goes the windows. Let's move back. I don't think we're at a safe distance at all.
Or a video. No, a picture. I'm on a hard post.
Wow. Luckily I have this human shield. I'm just gonna let it burn. Why aren't they throwing some kind of foam something on it, you know?
I think it's too late. They're waiting for it to burn out.
What's that? Yeah, I know, of course. But like they already have hoses. Or is this, do they have the foam stuff here?
Maybe.
I guess it's all those polyethylene melted down.
Because like, when I first saw the smoke, I thought dude might have actually been able to get it under control.
Yeah.
You know, I bet a cigarette did.
Once, I guess. It's
Yeah.
a whole car full of flammable crap.
Yeah.
Hey.
Holy crap! I would have maybe his fireman suit is brown now. I don't know. Yeah, it's just smoke coming out of the thing, and then his car was loaded. Oh yeah,
There was a person in there?
Cardboard and stuff
There's all kinds of
inside.
cardboard and stuff inside.
Pardon me?
There's cardboard and stuff
So
inside.
there was someone there and they
He
actually
was
ran
trying
out
to like
because it was
pull
already on
stuff
fire?
out.
Yeah,
Oh,
they,
wow.
they were trying to like pull stuff out. There's a bicycle inside, and like all kinds of stuff. I'm guessing cigarette.
Yeah, that's what I'm thinking too.
Yeah.
Or a marijuana joint. Let's get back to the legal. Making that illegal. I'm kidding.
Let's not.
Let's not get carried
Be
away.
okay here. Cigarette. Let's get rid of the cigarettes.
Yo, fire pump.
Jesus Christ.
That's 4.
I would shit my pants.
Yeah.
Like they just seem to be
Cars shooting at
like, oh well, now's the